Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the beat text effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select black screen background and select text, default text, and for the duration, same length. Oops. Alright, I'm going to change for the text. And then I'm going to adjust for the font style. Right, and yeah, after done, you can select the clips, right click and create component clip, go to effect and select nightclub and looking for the beat text effect, the beat effect. Here's add to track, so you can see the final result like so. And then you can add the audio, so select a sound effect and just type beat, heartbeat, just add the track. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.